Another really great question that has come across as we talk about neurofeedback is, does neurofeedback really work? Is there solid research behind neurofeedback? Yes. We don't think neurofeedback works. We're not speculating about it. We have hard evidence that neurofeedback works. One of the most simplest reasons that we know that neurofeedback works is because neurofeedback actually uses the system that the brain already uses to learn. If you are able to learn anything new, or think about it this way, if you're able to teach a pet that you might have or an animal that you love, if you're able to teach that animal a new way of acting, you can teach yourself because your brain uses the same system. Neurofeedback is a reward system. That's all it is. So if you think about it, when you have a dog, for example, and you'd like your dog to do something, you give it a treat. That's called reinforcement or operant conditioning. Your brain works the same way, and neurofeedback works that way. Neurofeedback provides your brain with a reward every time it produces the operant frequency. And the operant frequency is established from your diagnostic interview and your brain map. In other words, what should your brain function like? We're going to establish that first. And then when you do neurofeedback, we're going to reward your brain for doing that, for producing that operant frequency. The coolest thing is, after a while, your brain will actually learn that new way of acting. It will actually produce a new neuronal highway that you can use at any time. So, neurofeedback is actually natural, it cannot hurt you. And by default, we're going to create more intelligence. We're going to increase your recall because we're going to help your brain regulate itself and create a new neuronal pathway. You'll never lose the old neuronal pathways, but what we will be able to do is create new ones to help you respond quicker, recall information, and more importantly, clear or help you alleviate symptoms that you may be experiencing that are decreasing your quality of life. Ultimately, our goal is to optimize brain and body function so that you can live your life by design and love the life that you live.